Hey everyone, this is Eric Hunter here, and I want to show you some really cool pendants that I've created. So what I did was I took two of my pendulum designs. This one here is the Akashic record, and this one here is the Tree of Life, and I turned them into pendants. So let me show you how this works. Here is the Tree of Life pendulum, and as you can see, it's fairly thick, and it'd be difficult to wear this as a pendant. So what I did was I worked with the graphic artist to transform the three-dimensional shape into a mostly flat shape. But the shape of the pendant still has some convexity. So you get energy. It still has good energy. So you can either use this as a featherweight pendulum or you can wear it as a pendant. And I've done the same thing with the Akashic record. So normally it would be like a tube almost. What I did was I mostly flattened it, but not completely. So there is still some convexity here, and that gives it energy. And it has really strong energy and it feels really good. And like I said, you can either use it as a lightweight pendulum or you can just wear it as a necklace, and it's very easy to wear because it's pretty much flat. So it's very simple to wear, and then you can do discrete pendulum work with it whenever you want a pendulum available. So I have these on my website. I realized that most of you didn't understand what I had created. You didn't realize that these were actually like pendulums. You were like, whoa, is the picture messed up? Like, why are they flat? This one you couldn't even tell because when I show it like this, it looks exactly like this, so you just couldn't even tell that it was a pendant that was flattened. And this one, people were like, oh, is the picture messed up or something? So like I showed a side view of it, or it's like almost completely flat. So realize these are pendants and they have really high vibration, really nice energy. They're on my website, pendulumalchemy.com. If you like the Akashic or you like the Tree of Life, check these out. If you haven't gotten these before, these are great. I would highly recommend getting them. Super high vibration, great for pendulum alchemy, pendulum healing, magic, manifestation, anything you'd want to do with a pendulum, you can do it with these. All right. Thank you very much for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.